So the timer was stolen from this property. There was a sprinkler timer that was attached to the house right over here by where there is a GFCI outlet, which is now not functioning. And the valve box is just on the other side of this tree stump where you're going to see like this white box covering it. And so I'm going to be replacing the timer, but I can't replace it. Even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to replace it over here with the GFCI outlet because, number one, I wouldn't be able to get into the power box. This needs to be done by an electrician, and it's not going to solve the problem of leaving this timer exposed not only to the south face of this house, but also exposed to the same thief that took the original timer away. Now they would just have an upgraded brand new timer if they decided to switch them out. Not only did this person take the timer and the wire that connects the timer to the valves, but also along this fence here, there were some emitters that were missing. Also just like literally yanked out or cut out to the roses. I'm going to have to run the wire down below here. I was thinking of actually following this wire for the cable, but that looks absolutely awful. And if anything, I would propose to David, the homeowner, that we bring that down and even include it inside of a conduit pipe that we would run all along the bottom here. And I would rather put it, say, like in a metal conduit pipe, considering that this is, again, exposed to the elements and everything else. I just wouldn't want something like that to warp. And I also have proposals. I have different ideas as to what we can do that wouldn't require pulling any kind of building permits, that would be safe and that will hold up to the winds. Like right now, we even have wind today, and there's really nothing blocking wind just coming straight through this house, especially with the fence, these open cyclone fences. I'm going to get started. Before I disconnect the power, I am going to show you what I did here. In order to be able to connect it to the electrical panel, I had to remove the plug that comes with it. You just pop the hole out where the cord comes out, and I put a compression fitting in here that's going to do this conduit tube. And I've got my 3 wires, my hot, my neutral, and my ground. Now they are reconnected to the timer. And so I'm going to close this transformer box back up and measure. Then I'm going to mount this. All these things I'm going to do ahead of time before I have to shut off the power and make my final connection. Okay, so I have installed a new breaker so all the power's back on. I'm gonna put everything's working properly, Okay, so I'm going to close everything up and call it a day.